The fully automatic vacuum shrink packaging machine designed for high-efficiency tray forming, vacuum sealing, and shrink wrapping. It integrates bottom film stretching, product loading, vacuum sealing, and shrink tunnel processing into a streamlined system. Operating at 5 to 7 cycles per minute, it delivers consistent packaging quality with precise temperature and vacuum control. Ideal for food, medical, and industrial applications requiring airtight and shrink-fitted packaging.